my name is Esperto, and a few days ago there was my birthday and I make myself a big present. I buy the Canon EOS R5. Yes, the R5 is now filming me, and what do I want to tell you about the R5? At the moment, not much. But what I want to tell you is the story. How long do I need to get a Canon R Mount Adapter? I had the Canon EOS 5D Mark III for about 8 years, so I owned only Canon EF lenses. And some of you may know the new Canon R5 has another mount, the R mount, yes. I have only EF lens, so what do I need? An adapter. So today we want to talk about this one. The lens adapter from K&F Concept. Hi. This video is not sponsored by K&F Concept, so this is my own review, my own opinion. Let's talk about this R Mount Adapter. At first I thought, oh well, there's a third-party adapter which is quite cheap. Yes, and why not give it a chance? I buy this adapter. As you can see, it's coming with this plastic case and just wrapped in bubble foil. And this is it, nothing more. Maybe some of you know which is the problem here. Correct. This adapter can't communicate with the lens and the camera. It doesn't have any contact. I can show you. I have here a EF lens, and here are here are the contacts. This allows the camera to communicate with the lens for focus and image stabilization and so on. And yes, well, yeah. And oh, it's quite dark. On this side there are the contacts from the lens, and the camera can't communicate with the lens. Also in manual mode I have no choice, no possibilities to make a picture. So sadly this adapter is useless for me. If anyone knows how to use such an adapter on a Canon EOS R5 or R6, please let me know. Write down in the comment and I would appreciate. So this is going back, and as you might think, I have another adapter, right? Because I can film at the moment with R5, so I have found another third-party adapter which is working, but nevertheless, now I also have the original Canon R adapter. But this is the next video, so I hope you find this video entertaining or at least helpful, and hit the like button if you want to, and maybe you consider to subscribe to my channel so I can make more content for you. See you later. And some days I didn't tell what want we. Some days ago I have